Good morning, everyone. It is time for Sign Carvers of the Day. In case you're brand new and you don't know about this, this is where we feature your stuff. The signs that you are carving. And we're fired up every time we get to do this because there's so much talent out there. So many of you are making such great stuff that we love to show this off for you. So we do this every couple weeks. Now we're going to do another 20. I think it's been a couple weeks since we did this. Also, in case you don't know, we are Make a Wood Sign. That's our channel. What we do is we teach people to make freehand routed signs, and then we sell the supplies that help you do it. So let's jump right into this and get these going. First, we have Bob Harmon, and Bob made a cool sign. This is one of his very first. He made for a friend that works at Tommy Chong's CBD store in Vegas. So really cool. Great job for a first sign. Bob, you nailed it, man. Really, really nice. Next, we have Gareth Jukes from South Wales. This is an 8x18 piece of pine. And he did a Pink Floyd album cover. So that's what we're looking at here. Gareth, you're making some great stuff, man. Beautiful work, buddy. Next, we have Bob Stratford. Bob Stratford obviously is a weapon enthusiast. Springfield Armory. I love it. It looks terrific. 12x24 live edge cedar. Beautiful work. I love the detail. Awesome work, Bob, as always. Next, we have Guy Fagerman. He made this for a friend from high school for a family cabin. And it's got our little Peking deer or Peking buck, I think, artwork on the end there with, looks like Clarendon letters. Great job, Guy. I'm sure he loved it. This one's really neat. It's from Joe DeAngelis. This is a Pocahontas, and if you really look close, you can see the actual name Pocahontas is on either it's on a separate overlay piece or he cut everything else away. I can't really tell for sure, but man, this is really cool. I've seen several that Joe has done this way. It's really, really neat. Beautiful work, Joe. Absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have Dave Renfro. This is actually his business sign. And it looks like it's a piece of live edge, obviously. I don't know the size of it, but it looks like it's pretty good size. I'm sure that's going to bring you some business, Dave. Great job, buddy. Next, we have Greg Wells. This is one of his very first signs, and I think this is a great group of signs. This is a great niche. These welcome signs are very popular, especially the vertical ones. So he and his wife Melanie are wanting to start a sign carving business, which is exciting, and we're excited for you, Greg and Melanie, and if there's anything we can do, you just let us know. But man, you're off to a good start. That's a beautiful sign. Great job. And again, I think that's a great selling niche as well. Next, we have Thomas Kilzer. Great niche. These are stock signs, but this is obviously a fairly good size sign. And I think this is one of those that could sell in gift shops. It could sell just about anywhere. You get it in front of people, this kind of sign. This is what, when we talk about stock signs, this is something that anybody can see. It's an impulse item, and boom, they'll pick it up and they'll just walk out with it after they pay for it, obviously. So I think it's a great idea to sell on Facebook groups, even offer up those kinds of places. Great job, Thomas. Love it. Beautiful design. Next, we have Michael Perry. This one is really cool. A lot of paint on here. I love the artwork. This is only his second sign ever, and he made this for his mom. Great job, Michael. Obviously, you have a knack for this. Awesome job. I love it. Great design. Next, we have Ron Mueller. Ron, man, this is just a beautiful sign. I love the shape. I love the colors. Obviously, this is something that you could probably sell a lot of. The National Park Service logo on there. You just did an awesome job on this, Ron. Absolutely beautiful, buddy. Love it. Next, we have Sean Boston. Very first sign. And I got to tell you, Sean, for your very first sign, it's pretty ambitious. Those small inset letters like that, you're holding a good line. Great job, man. For your first sign, Terrific work, buddy. Next, we have Jeff Van Sickler. Jeff's a terrific sign carver. He sent signs in several times. Jeff, I love this sign. I love what you did with the background, how it kind of matches the shape of the letters. Very inventive, very creative. Love it. Jeff, by the way, is a local politician. He is actually the mayor in his town. So congratulations on your campaign, Jeff. Anyway, Jeff's a great guy. I've talked to him a few times on the phone. All right, next we have Sean Simpson. This one is just absolutely spectacular. 16 by 48 panel board from Lowe's, which isn't always the easiest to carve, and I'm sure this one wasn't. You use a profile bit, the carving liner, and the 60-degree bit. The detail on this thing is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it, Sean. I don't know what it is, but I love it. Anyway, has kind of a Celtic Oriental look to it. There must be some significance. I don't know, but man, it's cool. Great job, Sean. Next, we have Jay. Jay does this great service where he actually makes portraits for the family members of people that have passed away. And here he's done one with the wife of a gentleman that had passed away in a motorcycle accident. And this is also Jay and Candace, Jay's wife, in this picture as well. Jay, I love what you're doing, man. You're not only making great stuff, but it's a great service as a remembrance and something heartfelt that the family can hold on to. I just think what you're doing is awesome, Jay. Terrific job, buddy. Victoria Knight, this is one of her first signs made out of white oak. Her family owns a small lumber mill. And Victoria, for her very first sign, especially carving white oak, man, that is really done well. You've got a hand with that router. Keep up the great work, Victoria. I love it. Next, we have Brian Burrows, 5.5 by 32, and he made this for a YouTuber group, Unashamed, and they have a Bible study on YouTube, which is really cool. I love the sign. I love everything about it. The letter, the artwork, the shape of the sign, the way you made it rustic looking. Brian, great job. I'm sure they're absolutely going to love this thing. Terrific work, buddy. Next, we have Matt Benson. Obviously an Iowa Hawkeyes fan. He made river tables, black resin and yellow resin. He carved the logo and filled it with yellow. I think these things came out really, really cool. Great job, Matt. I bet whoever gets these, if they're not for you, whoever gets them is going to love them. Terrific work, buddy. Next, David Lowry. Red oak laminated, used the carving liner, the profile bit, and the 90-degree, and he made this for his neighbor who is obviously from the Marine Corps. Thank you for thank all of all the troops out there for your service. Terrific job. I love it, David. You know, this will probably bring you more business. And carving red oak, it ain't the softest wood for sure. Great work. Last but not least, another welcome sign. These vertical welcome signs, guys, it's a great product. You guys might think about this. And Kent put some extra stuff on there, put a little rooster at the top with a weather vane. I love it. So this is a porch sign made out of poplar. And Kent, you nailed it, man. Looks beautiful. So there we have it, guys. That's the sign carvers of the day for today. And these go through from August 4th through August 23rd. So there's a great group of them here. If you guys sent me pictures of your products or your projects between those dates, definitely they should be here. If not, let me know. Eric@makeawoodsign.com. Again, guys, we love showing your stuff. So if you've got pictures of projects that you want to send me, please send them to me, Eric@makeawoodsign.com, and we will feature them on one of these episodes. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. I know there's a lot of new people here, and if you have questions, please email me. And if you need supplies for your sign carving needs, the link is right up here, makeawoodsign.com. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.